is machine learning? Well, let's start with the basics. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through TikTok or Pinterest wondering, how on earth does this app know so many of my interests? Well, beautiful girl I've never met before, the answer to that is machine learning. You may or may not have heard of the term algorithm. An algorithm is a set of instructions that the computer is told to follow. An algorithm uses data to predict what the user will likely enjoy. So let's go back to TikTok for an example. Let's say you're scrolling through your For You page and you interact with a bunch of One Direction and Harry Potter videos. I may or may not be speaking from experience. So when I interact with these videos, I'm telling TikTok that this is what I enjoy watching. So TikTok thinks, Aisha really likes One Direction and Harry Potter. Let's give her more content related to them. You may be a little confused. I thought that computers were stupid. How are they going to tell the difference between Harry Potter and Harry Styles? Well, the answer here is machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that helps apps make predictions without being specifically programmed to. The programmer's job here is to feed that machine data. See, machines start off with a blank slate. They don't know anything. The more data that a machine is provided, the more accurate its predictions will be. Let's simplify this. Let's say I want to build a program that tells the difference between Harry Styles and Harry Potter. So first, we're going to have to feed it lots of data. Let's start by giving it thousands of photos of Harry Styles and saying, this is Harry Styles. Then we're going to give it thousands of photos of people who are not Harry Styles, but might slightly resemble him. And we're going to say, this is not Harry Styles. Now let's take a look at a chart that represents the algorithm and shows us how to sort our data. Here's a visual. Bear in mind that this is simply an example and that an actual program would require much more data. We're going to give our computer several photos of Harry Styles so that it can pick up patterns. However, we also need to give our machine several photos of people who are not Harry Styles but might slightly resemble him. This is so that our machine can notice very specific details when considering the differences between the photos. Now that our machine can recognize the two Harrys, let's see if it's smart enough to tell them apart from one another. Here, we're feeding our machine an image of Harry Styles. It'll use all the knowledge it gained from studying the data in order to tell whether this image is of Harry Potter or Harry Styles. See, that's why collecting data is so crucial for machine learning. The more data, the more accurate the algorithm's predictions will be. Well, that's all from me. I hope this video makes you think about machine learning the next time you're scrolling through your favorite apps.